Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Tomica Premium FERRARI F355. If you have seen my last video, so I already explained a few differences between the Premium and the mainline, but still if you haven't, as I saw in my last unboxing, that the wheels are different. You got wheels which mimic the actual car, and then there are some details like painted exhaust tips and some few minor details which kind of makes it look much better compared to a normal or mainline Tomica car. The reason for getting, even the last one was Ferrari, the reason for getting Ferrari is Hot Wheels doesn't make Ferrari anymore, and I don't think Greenlight or Auto World or any other manufacturers do that either. I don't know about Mini GT if they do it, but so you can find it in Tomicas. This was the reason to get it. So let's just unbox this and see what's inside. How does the car look? Oh yeah, before we do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. If you like my videos, share it with your friends. Let's open up the box. Okay, nice red Ferrari. Right. Yeah, the first thing I see is the red paint job. It looks nice. You can also see those classic wheels, 5-spoke ones. Okay, let's start the review now. So up front, it's a classic shape for a Ferrari. You've got pop-up headlamps. You can see that. I like how everything else is detailed here too. You got the detailed Ferrari badge. You got the, I think these are fog lamps and the turn indicators. So you got that. You got the Ferrari badge here. You can see the inner mirror. And even with the Premium, Tomica doesn't do mirrors. I don't know why. I know they do it for TLV, but maybe not in Premium. Paint looks good. You got the basic details. It looks good. Now moving to the driver's side. This is the shape people fell in love with. So you got nice details on the side. You got detailed wheels, those wheels which mimic the actual car. You got the keyhole here for your door handle. I don't see a door handle. I don't know if it was like, one of those cars where you just push the button and the door opens up. Might be one of those. It was very famous in like early 90s and late 80s. You can see how it mimics the actual car for airflow or air intake. So you got the scoop here. This black, I don't know if it's visible, but the sides are blacked out like to mimic the trim or the rubber trim, which looks good. And this here looks like a turn indicator. It's painted orange, so it might be turn indicator. These lines are very like early 90s or late 80s. They look nice. They were simple yet nice. Moving to the back, again, you got detailed tail lamps. Exhaust tips are detailed. You got the Ferrari badge. Again, Ferrari had the big, what you can say, engine cover here. Nice glass window. Nothing much to talk about, but yeah, again, nice details here. Now moving to the passenger side. Almost identical as the driver's side, the only difference being that the driver's side had a fuel filler cap here, which passenger side doesn't. So yeah, that's the only difference I can see. Apart from that, it has the turn indicator and everything. Wheels. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Nothing much detail there, only produced under license from Ferrari and all that. And it's a 2022 model. It's 1:62. That's the scale. Yeah, so overall, obviously, I don't have anything to compare it with, but it looks nice. Better than mainline ones because of the wheels and some other details. Yeah, if you can get your hand on it, and if you like Ferraris, go for it. It's a nice casting and it's a nice model. Well, that's what I think. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.